All right, so to reuse one of your old canvases or panels that already has a painting on it, you want to pick up some gesso for acrylic paint, and in the description box below I'll have a link to my favorite brands of gesso, and a flat brush or even a palette knife. And in this video I'll demonstrate using both the knife and the brush. Now whichever one that you do choose to use to apply your gesso, you don't want to dilute it with water, and you may need 2 or 3 coats of gesso to sufficiently cover and hide your painting that's underneath it. And when you re-gesso a used canvas, this is good for multiple reasons. You are reusing a canvas and not throwing it away. These make really good practice pieces to do other stuff, other artwork on top of that you may not want to keep, or you may even paint it with the intention knowing that you'll paint over it again. But it's just a good way to kind of keep painting and not spend a whole lot of money and reuse what you've already got. So again, if you need that second or third coat, make sure it fully dries in between. And I'd stick with your original application, whether you're using the brush or the knife. And if you use the knife, this is excellent prep work for my knife painting tutorials that I'll have on my channel. So feel free to check those out and kind of keep reusing your panels as needed.